Good afternoon, children. Let's see how to construct a triangle when the base angle, and the difference of the another two sides is given. So here we have the question in which we have a triangle ABC in which the base BC is given as 8, angle B is given as 45 degree, and the difference between AB and AC is 3.5. So let us understand the construction first. Since I need the base BC equal to 8 centimeter, let's make BC which is equal to 8 centimeter. Next, children, we need to construct angle B as 45 degree. So we will construct at B, we will construct an angle of 45 degree. Let us say this is our angle XBC, which is equal to 45 degree. Now we want the difference of the remaining two sides to be 3.5. So with the radius 3.5 and center B, we will cut an arc. Say this point P is such that BP is equal to 3.5 centimeter. And now we will join the two sides, 2 points P and C. Again, we will repeat the same step as we did in the sum. We will draw the perpendicular bisector LM to bisect PC. So for PC, we are drawing the perpendicular bisector, keeping at P any radius, draw an arc, keeping at C with the same radius, cut the previous arc, join these two lines. So I'll get these 2 points. So we will get a line LM, which is the perpendicular bisector of PC. Okay, let's consider that LM is the perpendicular bisector of PC. Now, since LM is the perpendicular bisector of PC, children, this line, let us just consider for the rough diagram, we'll say that this is the perpendicular bisector. Now, this is point L, this is point M. Children, I know LM is the perpendicular bisector of PC. So, any point on LM will be equidistant from point P and C. So this point we get is point A. I can say A is equidistance from point P and point C, or I can say AP is equal to AC. So children, we have obtained a triangle PAC in which PA is equal to AC. Now let us look at the side AB. Side AB is nothing but BP plus AP. BP is 3.5 and AP is equal to AC. So I've got AB minus AC equal to 3.5, and hence the construction. So we know that whatever the difference is, we had added the difference of 3.5 on the arm BX, and on that base we are constructing an isosceles triangle. So the difference of 3.5 is added to the side AP, hence the together side AB became greater than AC by 3.5. Now let us construct this. So for this we will take an arc. First we will take the compass, the ruler will make the base of 8 centimeter. So let us make BC equal to 8 centimeter. With here I'm making, this is my BC, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Now children, we need to construct an angle B which is equal to 45 degrees. So for that you can bisect 90-degree angle to obtain 45-degree angle. You can use any method. You can either bisect 180 degree, or you can bisect, draw 60-degree angle, 120-degree angle, and then bisect it to get 90, and then bisect it again to get 45 degree. So here I'm obtaining 60-degree arc. Then keeping on this 60-degree arc, I'm trying to obtain the angle, the arc of 120 degree. Now I will bisect the two arc to get 90-degree angle. So with any suitable radius, we are constructing an angle of 90 degree over here. So here I have constructed an angle of 90 degree. I will join these 2 points, point B with the point of intersection of the arc, and we can say that this point is the 90-degree angle. This gives me a right angle. So here we have a right angle, say angle XBC. Now when I bisect this angle, I will obtain an angle of 45 degrees. So let's do that. With center at this point 90 degrees and any suitable radius. Children, you can take any suitable radius. So I'm taking a radius equal to this thing, and we make an angle of, and we draw an arc over here with this same radius. We cut the previous arc. Basically we bisect the 90-degree to obtain the 45-degree angle. So here I'll get angle, the point of intersection we will join with the point X, and we obtain then angle of 45 degrees. So I can say that my angle, let's say this as X. So yes, my angle XBC is 45 degrees. Okay, this point is X and we get XBC as 45 degrees. Now look at the difference. I want the difference of the two sides to be 3.5. So with your compass, take the radius of 3.5. We'll keep the compass on the scale. Take the radius of 3.5, and children, with this radius, we will keep the compass, the needle at point B, the vertex B, and we will draw an arc to cut the arm BX. Now this point will give me point P. This is our point P. Let us join PC. So we will join PC and draw the perpendicular bisector of PC. So here I'm trying to join PC. We draw the point, join point P to C, and we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line. So here, this is my line. We all know how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Let's draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment, taking the radius more than half, keeping the line center at P. I'm radius more than half. Cut, draw an arc on the either side of the line segment. So we are making the arc on either side of the line segment here, and with the same radius and center C, again we are trying to cut the previous arc. So here we cut the previous arc. Similarly, we'll draw the arc and cut it over here. Now I need to extend my arc a bit, keeping it at point P. We will extend the arc a bit. So here I got the point of intersection. Now I will join the 2 points of intersection and obtain the bisector LM, which bisects the line PC, which is the perpendicular bisector of line PC. So yes, we have arranged the scale, a ruler, and I will join these 2 points to obtain the line LM. Okay, so here I'm obtaining the line LM. The point where LM intersects the arc or the arm PX will give me my point A. So this point, children, is my point A. And now we will join point A to C, and hence we get the required triangle ABC. So we join point A and point C. Okay, we move the scale such that we can join the 2 points A and C. Yes, and here I'm obtaining my triangle ABC such that AB is greater than AC by 3.5 centimeters. So we'll just join these two Let me choose the color. Yes, and hence I have obtained the difference of the two sides AB and AC equal to 3.5. Okay, so triangle ABC is the required triangle.